lalabnaw yung dugo. Ganun kabilis, within 1 hour, lalabnaw yung dugo natin. Meron siyang aspirin-like effect without its side effects. That's why it's good for circulation. Okay? That's why if you're familiar with some of the patients that we have, pag hina-high blood, pag may chest pain, re-resetahan ng doktor ng aspirin. The problem with the aspirin is that pag nagkaroon ka ng sugat, profuse yung bleeding. Kasi pati yung clotting factors na apektuhan. The good thing with fruit flow, it doesn't affect the clotting factors. Okay? Maganda, napakaganda. We will also launch this in Singapore, in Taiwan, in Hong Kong, in Nigeria, in Ghana, and so many other countries. Okay. VitaMax, it's for healthy heart, it's for healthy blood circulation, and for healthy body. I'm also using VitaMax para makapagpapayat. Maganda rin siyang pampapayat. Okay? Because Resvida has clinical studies for slimming down. Are you excited with this product? Okay, next slide. The suggested retail price is 1,700 pesos. Distributor's price is 1,200 pesos. Commissional points is 200. Repeat binary points is 10 points. Positional points is 0.15. Are you excited about this? Okay, next. I'd like to give you reasons to smile. Back mo muna ron, Omar. Back. Back. Hala, back. Ayan. I'd just like to remind you guys, one of the reasons to smile is this. Every time na bibili ka ng isang bote ng VitaMax, may free CardioPulse test transferable. Maganda, napakaganda. We are all familiar with CardioPulse test na free, worth 1,000 pesos. So what does it mean? Your prospects or your patient, pwede siyang ma-CardioPulse test, may magpapaliwanag ng CardioPulse test, indirectly, pwede siyang sumali o bumili pa ng product uli. Tama o tama? So every time na bibili kayo yan sa head office, branches, BCO, may libreng CardioPulse test transferable. Are you prepared to buy this product? So yung value tumataas. Okay, next slide. Another reason to smile is our NPP, New Product Policy Package. Are you familiar with this? We are relaunching yung Vida Drink Mix kasi naka-multicolor sachet na siya. Mas maganda tignan multicolor na, parang yung Liven coffee natin. So, 1 bottle of VitaMax, 1,200 pesos. 1 box of Vida Drink Mix, 390 pesos. May libreng 2 CardioPulse test transferable. Okay po ba yun? 2. Okay, hindi 50% discount, 100% free. So this is for a total of, next, 1,590, pero yung value niya is 4,480 pesos. Because of the 2 free CardioPulse tests na transferable. Am I clear with this? Maganda, napakaganda. Of course, total, ayan, this will be made available November 13. Okay, mark your calendar. This will be made available November 13. All branches, head office, and BCOs nationwide. NPP encoding starts at November 19. So we are expecting as leaders, lahat kayo bibili ng NPP package. Tama po ba yun? Kayo yung unang makatikim ng product. Before you share this, kayo muna. Okay? Next. Another reason to smile. Do you want to smile some more? Can I see your smile? Pwede bang bigger smile? Next. We have combo package V2. We're coming up with a combo package na puro Vida ang laman. Maganda ba yun? It will have 5 Vida Drink Mix, 2 VitaMax bottles. Of course, merong Liven may Choco Sampler Pack. The good thing about this, meron siyang 3 CardioPulse test free transferable. So may option V2. Ang tawag natin dyan kasi meron tayong Global Pack A, Global Pack B, Global Pack C, Global Pack D, E, merong O, original, merong V, then merong V2 kasi purong V na to. Am I clear with this? The same 7,980 package pero yung value ng product, 7,300 pesos. Since meron siyang cardio-pulse test na tatlo, na 1,000 each, nadagdagan yung value ng cardio-pulse test. So, products pa lang tsaka cardio-pulse test, 10,300 pesos na. Panalo, panalo, panalo. Do you want another reason to smile? Next, do you want to hear some more good news? Wala, pinakita na eh. Hong Kong 7, excited ka na ba? 510 ang nag-qualify sa Hong Kong 6. Nag-enjoy ba kayo sa Hong Kong 6? Taasan kami ng mga nag-qualify. Can I see some raise of hands? Okay. Now we have Hong Kong 7. Same thing. Walang kabatayang Disneyland, Ocean Park, City Tour. And of course, magbi-business tayo sa Hong Kong. Para pagbalik mo ng Pilipinas, yung grupo sa Hong Kong gumagalaw, may income ka pa rin dito sa Pilipinas. Maganda na ba? Maganda. So these are, next slide, these are the requirements. Sabi ko, isa-isahin eh. Binigla mo na, bossing eh. 15 new directs, 10 of which, ayan o, 10 of which kinakailangan combo pack V2. Okay, am I clear? 15 new directs, 10 of which kinakailangan combo pack V2, yung registration package sila. 15 pairs, kaya-kaya. 15 points personal reorder at kailangan nag-NPP package ka. Kaya. Malamang 700 o 800 ang magka-qualify dito. Ang tanong, kasama ka ba? November 12 hanggang February 12. Today is November 9. May ibang kinausap na nasasali, pwedeng ipang-qualify. Okay po ba yan? We just need to maintain the strict policy. Next, ano ba yung policy natin? Only one account will be counted from newly sponsored distributors with multiple heads. We're gonna be very strict with this. Kunwari may sumali 7 heads. Huwag mo namang angkinin lahat. Isa lang doon ang kailangan direct referral mo. Am I clear? So only one account will be counted from newly sponsored with multiple heads. What else? More than 7 accounts are not allowed. So kinakailangan yung 15 directs mo, kung naka 7 heads ka na kinakailangan, hindi ikaw yun. Am I clear? What else? Sponsored distributors are not counted for the requirement. Only new distributors. Lastly, only appropriate codes should be encoded for the requirements. Excited ka na ba? Do you want to smile some more? Next, do you want to smile some more? Can I see those big smiles? Iba gutom na eh. Gutom ka na ba? O, lilipas din yan. Another reason to smile, just to update you with Nigeria. In Nigeria, nagbukas na po tayo sa Lagos, which is one of their business cities, district. Bukas din po tayo sa Abuja. Bukas din tayo sa next, Ibadan. Bukas din tayo sa Onitsha, and we're creating so much sales. And very, very soon, bago matapos ang November, we'll be opening in Port Harcourt. So with these 5 branches, we're conquering Nigeria. How did we conquer Nigeria? A few hours ago. Kasi advance tayo ng 7 hours sa Nigeria. A few hours ago, we celebrated our 2nd year anniversary in Nigeria. More than 3,000 leaders from all over Nigeria and Africa ang pumunta sa Lagos just to witness our grand celebration in Nigeria. Nakakatuwa. In a span of 2 short years, we have created 526 silver executives, 91 gold executives, 13 global ambassadors, sandali lang. Sa tingin nyo, ilang millionaires? We have created 73 millionaire circle member. Mind you, these are all Nigerians. Ang uplines, Pinoy. Pinoy sa Pilipinas. Tapos tulog yung iba. Pero kahit tulog, kumikita o hindi? Guys, nakakatuwa. Nigeria is our #1 international branch. Okay? Ang laki-laki ng benta natin doon. We're continuing to conquer the rest of the Nigerian territory and we are expanding in other countries. Excited ka ba? Next. Do you want more reasons to smile? Next. Countries to open. As of today, we have gained product registrations and we're already getting offices at these countries. We're opening in Uganda. Very, very soon, approve na ang product. Office na nang hinahanap. We're opening in Togo. Approve na ang products. We're just getting an office. The good news with Togo, guys, Togo is the first country that we're gonna open that is French-speaking. Kaya yung mga boxes natin, marketing materials are translated to French. Nakakatawa, before we have opened countries, English-speaking countries, ito French-speaking countries. Okay po ba yan? Next, we're also looking at Cameroon in opening another African countries. Good news, next week, labas na po yung product registration ng Oman. After UAE, after Kuwait, now we have Oman. Excited ka ba? First quarter 2015, we're gonna open in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Are you excited with this? Now you have more reasons to smile. Can I see your smile? Yung iba tumatawag na, magbubukas na. Next. More reasons to smile. Next. We're creating the first in the MLM direct sales industry, ID na, ATM pa. ID na, ATM pa, with a lot of perks, powered by Banco. Banco is owned by BPI and Globe and Ayala Company. Okay po ba yun? What are the features of this? Banco ATM ID, yung application process pinaikse, more or less 3 working days na lang. Mas mabilis. Okay. Next. Possible encashments even on Saturday and Sunday. Nag-encash ng Friday, usually Monday. Nag-encash ng Saturday, usually Monday. Nag-encash ng Sunday, usually Monday. Tama. Very, very soon, nag-encash ng Friday, Saturday. Nag-encash ng Saturday, Sunday. Truly, daily payout, the only one in the Philippines and in the world. Are you smiling? Hindi mo makita. Hindi ko magamit ng toothpaste eh. What are the features? What else? This can be used in all ATMs nationwide. What else? We will come up with a mobile application for this. Siyempre, kailangan naka-smartphone ka. Baka nag-expect ka ng mobile app tapos medyo 3210 yung cellphone mo. What are the benefits? But what are the benefits of your mobile app? Very, very soon you can transact, okay, buying and selling of our products through that mobile app. Next, you can buy and sell load using that mobile app. Next, very, very soon, balance inquiry through that mobile app. Next, future development. Very, very soon, pwede ka magbayad ng bills payment using that mobile app. Credit card payment accepted using that mobile app. Loyalty and remittance. Papadala ka ng pera sa downline mo sa Iloilo, downline mo sa Cebu, you can use that mobile app. Money transfer. Maganda, napakaganda. Are you smiling? I cannot see your smile. Are you smiling? Next.
Nahiya.
Parang dentista kailangan nun ah. Another reason to smile. Slim and
Sabi ko na
Green.
namin.
We're coming up with a better, more effective new formulation very, very soon.
Sabi ni Dennis Capo na.
Okay po ba yun? We found out through research and study, mas mabilis yung pagpayat ng mga bagong ingredients na meron ngayon sa market. So may mga inaaral na bagong ingredients na idadagdag o i-replace sa Slim and Green para mas maging effective siya. Okay po ba yun? We'll also come up very, very soon with a product ng meal replacement therapy. Yung eto na lang kakainin mo for breakfast, for lunch, or for dinner, along with the new Slim para mas mabilis yung pagpayat. In short, we're gonna sell this in package. Ito, iinumin mo for 1 month. Konting exercise, papayat ka na. Okay, okay na okay. Watch out for that. And we're gonna launch a lot of promos. Parang Biggest Loser. Okay, may mananalo kapag mas malaki yung percentage na pinayat niya. Are you excited with this? Next. Another reason to smile. Can I see your smiles? Ayaw talaga. Next. Brand new DTC. Nakita niyo na ba yung website nyo ngayon? Patikim pa lang yan. Mas marami pang magandang mangyayari dyan. Next, let's show them yung bagong website natin. Pwede ka na mag-upload ng picture. Pagbukas, makikita mo na kagad, you're a gold executive, may seal. Ibang-iba na yung itsura, professionally done. Next, may mga notification ka nang makikita sa taas. May online messaging parang Facebook. I-message mo yung downline mo, galaw-galaw din pag may time. Message mo, wag mo akong i-flash out. Okay po ba yun? Next, may notification. Notification sa message, notification sa income. May notification, you just earned 5 pairs. Okay po ba yun? Next, ayan, yung family tree, ibang-iba na. Okay? Pag tinapat mo yung cursor, in-over mo dun sa isang tao, lalabas, this slot is available. Pag-click mo, mamimili ka na lang kung multiple or new registration. Pag kinilig mo yun, automatic na yung sponsor. Kasi ibabaw nun, yun yung sponsor eh. Tama. Ilalagay mo na lang yung referral. Mamimili ka na lang kung multiple slot or new registration. Maganda po ba yun? Pag-click mo sa kanya, makikita mo yung picture niya, next, yung picture niya kung sino siya, kung ilan yung downlines niya, kung ilan yung left, tsaka ilan yung right. Okay po ba yun? Makikita mo dyan. Next. Ayan, may mga notifications about the income, about the message. Next. Detailed transactions. Makikita mo dyan. Next. Ayan, may mga messages pa, may mga profile. Pwede kang status. Power na power ako ngayong araw. Makikita yan ng mga grupo mo. Okay po ba yun? Next. Ayan, replicating page. Soon, pwede kang johnmac.anglobalinc.com. Ibibigay mo ito sa prospect mo, makikita niya yung products, makikita niya yung marketing plan, ito pala yung kitaan dito. Automatic,
Bumili ka pa ng vlog,
personalized,
sayang.
kasi nakapangalan sa'yo.
Bili ka pa ng vlog.
Wala lang ako maisip na pangalan, kaya ginamit ko John Mac.
Siyempre, direct mo yan eh.
Flash out na, flash out.
Flash out.
Okay? Para at least pwede mo ilagay sa calling card. Para pag binarowse yung website, ba, si John Mac may website? Makikita yung products, yung marketing plan. Ito pala yung pinagkakaabalahan ni John Mac. Okay po ba yan? Mind you, in some other companies, lalo na galing sa US, naniningil pa sa ganyan. Sa atin, it's for free. Because we want all of you to smile. Next. Do you want more reasons to smile? Layat ng katapusan to Today, we are officially launching our AIM Academy. What is AIM Academy? The premier MLM training, online and offline. Started here in the Philippines, and it will be so much bigger as the day, as the week, as the months would pass by. Next, ano ba itsura nito? Ayan. Remember the name, aimacademy.com. aimacademy.com. What's the use of this website? The purpose of this is as leverage. Why? Ano ba yung makikita natin sa AIM Academy? Marketing tool, network marketing tool, all of the topics that you need to learn in building your successful network, nandiyan dyan. English and Taglish. Product presentation, marketing plan, NDO, ASAP 1, ASAP 2, and so many other things. Every week may bagong training material, professionally done. Okay po ba yun? Pag nalulobat, demotivated ang downline mo, papuntahin mo sa AIM Academy. Pag-click niya, may motivational. Habang natutulog ka, namamotivate yung downline mo. Okay po ba yan? Hindi alam ng prospects mo kung ano business mo, papuntahin mo sa AIM Academy. Sa AIM Academy, ima-mindset siya, sasabihin ko ano yung product, sasabihin ko ano yung business, goal setting, motivation, duplication, leadership, skills, everything is there. Taglish and English. May downlines ka sa ibang mga bansa, send them to aimacademy.com. Okay na okay. Next. Ano ba features niyan? Ayan. Foundational lessons about MLM. Next. Tutorials. Paano ba mag-sponsor? Paano ba mag-invite? Paano ba mag-follow up? Paano mag-follow through? Ano ba yung products? Everything will be there. And the good news is, it's for free! A lot of people are asking, Doc, ba't meron tayong yan? Because this would serve as a leverage. I know for a fact that we cannot come to your presentations on each and every presentation of yours. May buhay din kami, may pamilya din kami. Same goes with the training team, marketing team, speakers bureau, your uplines. The good thing with AIM Academy, bukas siya 24/7. Habang natutulog ka, nagpapahinga, yung AIM Academy nagpa-present, nagta-training, nag-NDO, nag-ASAP, for each and every one of you. Okay po ba yan? Sa buong Pilipinas, tayo lang po ang may ganyan. I don't know with other companies, but with our company, we focus on training. Why? Because training is so crucial. Pag hindi mo alam kung paano mag-isip, what to say, how to say, when to say it, to your prospects, to your downlines, you will be lost. The good thing with AIM Academy, it is there already. Okay? Next. Ayan, may mga downloadable materials. Pwede kang mag-download. Next. May mga blogs. Kung yung mga prospects mahilig magbasa rather than manood. It's complete. Next. Ayan, how to register. Yung mga visitors, mako-convert sila into prospects, mako-convert sila into distributors. Magugulat ka na lang, sumali na pala. Magugulat ka na lang, flash out ka pala. Biro lang, biro lang. Next. Ayan, everything would be there. You would log in using your Facebook. Kaya yung mga mahilig mag-Facebook marketing, suwak na suwak to. Next. Ayan. Okay, prospects turning into distributors. Next. Motivational videos and everything. Next. Gusto niyo ba makakita ng sample? O, next muna, next. Guys, good news. Next. Next. Sige, next mo ba? Visit this website. It's available mobile, tablet, and PC. Hindi lang sa tablet at PC, pati sa mobile, smartphone, available yan. aimacademy.com, and very, very soon, next, available din siya through replicated site, johnmac.aimacademy.com, and very, very soon, this would be certified by TESDA as a professional networker. Dalawa po ang ating AIM Academy, online and offline. Isa sa project na AIM Academy, yung ginawa kahapon, Aim Big with Big Al. Very, very soon, pag nagkaroon tayo ng ganong event, umattend ka, subscriber ka na aimacademy.com, you would receive a